Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital assets based on a network that is distributed across a large number of computers. This decentralized structure allows them to access outside the control of government and central authorities. Experts believe that blockchain and related technology will disrupt many industries, including finance and law. The advantages of cryptocurrency include cheaper and fast money transfer and decentralized system that do not corrupt as a single point of failure. The disadvantages of cryptocurrencies include their price, volatility, high exchange customization for main activities, and use is criminal activities. Cryptocurrency are digital or virtual currencies underpinned by cryptographic system. Cryptocurrency can be mined or purchased from cryptocurrency exchange. Not all e-commerce sites allow purchase using cryptocurrencies. In fact, cryptocurrencies, even popular one like Bitcoin, are hardly used for relay transaction. However, the skyrocketing value of cryptocurrencies has made them popular as trading instrument. To a limit extent, they are also used for cross-border transfer. Bitcoin is the most popular and valuable cryptocurrency. An anonymous person called Satoshi Nakamoto invented it and introduced it to the world via a white paper in 2008. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies present in this market today. Each cryptocurrency claims to have a different function and specific specification. For example, is market in shape as gas for the underlying platform.